Hi guys, this is going to be, from the looks of it, a very short video on how to install coils into the Alpine RDTA tank for e-cigarettes and vaping. This is the first vaping video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's quickly get into it. I ain't got much time for some reason. Joking. That ain't good. Right, let's see if I can get into the picture. Yes, so what you do, this ain't the mod I'll be using, it's got a nail there. It don't work anyway, so I'll make sure it don't work. It's got a nail there, that's there. But the one I will be using is this one, so I'll actually switch them back over. I've got the Alpine RDTA tank from synthetic cloud, which comes in a, trying to rush this out of the mud, box like that. That's your front of the box, that's the back. You've got the synthetic cloud logo there, Alpine RDTA, and this lot here, all that is your features. It's got some socials at the bottom, synthetic cloud, Snap and Instagram, and the website. Very good tank, very worth money as well, very worth money. It does get a bit hot when you're vaping on it, but it's a very good tank. Holds 3 mils of juice, which, because of TPD, you can only get 2 mil juice now, but it's a very good tank. So take the top cap off, which is got it there. Just got your airflow top and bottom, and they're both adjustable. So, and it's got an anti-spit back in the middle. It's got that little tri design, that 3 back in a triangle. Actually, anti-spit back, which comes in very handy when you're just juiced up and you've just waked up as well. So that's your deck section. You've got your 2 ports here, your 2 posts here, and that bit in the middle is for your centre fill. That's where you put your juice. I'll show that in a bit. But the coils I'm going to be using are the UD staggered fused caption coils. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. They're meant to come out 0.15 ohms, but I've got them as low as 0.09, which is ridiculously low. So yeah, you've got your deck section there. I've actually got a bit of juice in it, but that doesn't matter. So them holes in the posts, these big, beefy coil holes. That's where you call them from. Now, these ones have been used before, so see that, yeah, they're all blackened up and whatnot. That's just liquid. The liquid I use, some cutwood, sugar drill. It's very sugary. It's cinnamon syrup right now. I love it. I do, it's one of my favourite juices. So yeah, what you do, you get your tank, well, deck. These have been pre-cut, so we're installed into it already. So you put one in one side, make the other one. Doesn't matter which way it goes. If it goes over the top of the first one, or underneath it, put stuff that into there like so. It shouldn't be that much coming out the other side, because these were installed into it about 5 minutes ago. So that's what you want. Now it looks a bit crap now, but get a decent screwdriver and put the Phillips, which I always love. I don't like flatheads, they're not very good. So what you do, you just clamp them down. So just twist, tighten them, not to the point where you're going to break your hand off, but you want them pretty tight, so like that, which looks pretty nice to be fair, I say so myself. And what you do, just straighten them up, so the edge of this edge here and this edge here on both coils aren't passing the inner side of this lip here, otherwise it will short it out, because it will be touching the side of the top gap. It will short it out. So as long as the coils don't pass this ring, you're safe, which that one doesn't fit. But if you do, lift them up, push them down, don't matter. As long as they don't surpass it, you're alright. So mess with them a bit to get them straight. 0.09, so yeah. So these should fire up straight away. There should be no messing about with these. Right, I've got time left. So it should glow from the inside out straight away, because we installed it into it anyway. That's why you want the coils to go from this one here out like that. So there's from that. So inside out to edge, not outside into middle. Always out to edge, which is bang on. Yeah, that's perfect. Sound. So as long as you've got coils inside this deck section and inside of here, and they're going from inside, so think of it as pulls, goes like that. As long as that's happening, you're good to go. And to wick it, which I'll quickly try to cotton out for you, which I use cotton bacon all the time, which comes in a bit bigger because I've used some of this already. Like that. Just rip a strip off. Roughly the same size as the coils. I mean, you can't get exactly all the time, but just try to be less wasted. I don't like wasting it. And get some scissors. About a minute left, so snip it, roll it up, stuff it through coil. So you've got that. So I'll quickly show you. Stick it there. Stick it there. So once you've got your coils all inserted and whipped up, got cotton both sides and whatnot, everything's going from inside out. Like I told you, time to juice it up. So I showed it earlier, cut wood, sugar drizzle. Cinnamon cereal, very nice. So absolutely saturate the coils in the cotton in the deck section. That's I don't know why I tint orange already, they've already been stored. That's what I mean, with being so sugary. The cotton turns orange. That's why you sweeten it. I call it in the vaping business, or vaping industry, cotton kills. It destroys cotton. Anything orange, like, that's some Fanta orange, like cotton killer. everything was sugar in it, cotton. So with the thing up the tank, that whole 5ml there, get your unicorn bottle, stuff it in the middle. It fills it up, so you can sort of vapor it. I'll just add vapor at the top. Yeah. At first you will get a cotton taste, so just bear with it, then after a few drugs you will start getting a taste it. What reduce you, and that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.